Hello everyone, welcome to today's class. This is teacher Simon taking you through Cambridge IGCSE Core Mathematics paper 3-2 for February-March 2025. Question 1. Taj is 3 whole number and a quarter years old. Work out her age in months. You know that 1 year is equivalent to 12 months. We need to change this one to an improper fraction, so we shall say 4 times 3, that is 12, then plus 1, 13. So how about 13 over 4 years? So this one shall be equal to 13 out of 4, then times 12. Of course, 4 goes here 3 times. So 13 times 3, that is 39. So the answer here becomes 39. Question 2. Div has $25 to buy some cups which cost $4.25 each. Calculate the maximum number of cups he can buy and the change he receives. So maximum number of cups is going to be equal to, we shall get it 25, then divide by 4.25. So what do we get here? 25 divided by 4.25. That is 5.882352941. So that means the full cups will be 5. And then this one is not a full cup. So to get the change that they receive, change received is going to be the $25, then minus 5 times the 4.25, because each cup costs 4.25, and if you have bought 5, then what do you get? So we have here 25, then minus, what do we get here? 5 into 4.25, that is 21.25. If we subtract this one from 25, what do you get? 25 minus that is 3.75. 3.75. I think you can see that it is not enough to buy a cup, because a cup costs 4.25. So that means the change is going to be 3.75. Question 3. Part A, measure angle A, then write down the mathematical name of this angle. So I'll get my protractor here. This is the one. Now I put this protractor here. Where the two lines are meeting, and then I rotate it. I make sure that it coincides, this line of the protractor coincides with one of these lines, and then the other one is for measuring the angle. Okay, so if you can check well, since I'm using this one here, so I'm going to measure now from here the whole of this. So I'm using this upper scale, and this is 33 from here. So that means that angle is 33. I'll write here 33 degrees. Write down the mathematical name of this type of angle. Of course, this is an acute angle. Acute angle. Remember, if the angle is in between 0 and 90 degrees, that angle is acute. If the angle is greater than 90 degrees and less than 180, this is obtuse. And then if it is greater than 180, of course less than 360, this one is a reflex angle. keep this in mind.